So, welcome to this week's Trades of the Week, week starting the 9th of November 2015. A few markets to look at, really. There's been some good moves, some decent profits, a few swing trades, a few sniper trades, a few continuation trades as well, to keep us interested. So, it's really starting off with Aussie and New Zealand. And now, whilst we're actually looking for a few more pips profit on this one, new trend signal users are really going for 100 points initially, just to, I guess, keep those pips coming through. Whilst we may be expecting this market to move higher, 100 pips was done on day one. So this was a trade entered on the 3rd of November. From there, the market did just over 100 points, about 110 points or so, rally on that first day, which is really, I guess, all we're looking for. If we're looking for 100 points as the target for a new trend signal user, then that's target achieved on day one. And that's been the way of a number of trades, getting a really nice move initially and then just pulling back a touch as well. The likes of dollar CAD moving on really nicely as we went through non-farm payroll on Friday of last week, equally picking up some decent profits. Not quite hit our major target yet, but again, new users of trend signal picking up profits on that market quite quickly indeed. Just to give you an example of a market which has got through to our ultimate target, we can look back at euro dollar. Now, we've been stuck in this short for quite some time, and we've had a few opportunities, a few different trades to get onto, but this is the sniper trade that I want to refer to, back from the 28th of August. Now, it seems kind of mad to be in a trade for that long, but the target was 300 points, and if it goes on and takes 300 points, then we're making decent profits, aren't we? Now, the market hit target last week on the 4th of November there for exactly 300 points. That's a move from the entry or the close of this candlestick here from 111.78, taking 300 points from there, so 108.78. 300 points, £1 a point, that's £300 of profit, and all you've got to do is set and forget. So you set up the trade and you leave it alone, forget about it, and there it is, now hitting target last week. So a really healthy profit on that one as well. So that's a good mix of opportunities there. Let's have a look at a few other trades that have come through. New Zealand CAD also done our 100-point target so far. We are looking for a bit more, so advanced trend signal users looking for slightly bigger targets on this market, but it has done 100 points so far, so happy enough with that. Now, New Zealand yen. Bit of a swing trade from here as we came through from the 29th of October, picking up 109 points profit there, so pound a point, 109 quid, £10 a point, just over £1,000 there. Okay, you may not be on £10 a point at the moment, but who knows where your stake may get to. With the right strategy, the right confidence, suddenly we're talking about pretty punchy profit numbers there. The likes of New Zealand US dollar, also an opportunity back from the 21st of October, picking up 95 points. Again, £1 a point, that's £95 from that trade. That's actually not bad from looking at the markets for just 10 to 20 minutes a day anyway. But again, as your confidence grows, you might start to look to increase that stake size, maybe at £5 a point. That's best part of 500 quid profit, isn't it? FTSE gave us a short here. Again, a swing trade, 78 points profit. Again, £1 a point, £78 profit. So there's a nice profit on that trade too. Let's have a look at a couple of continuation trades before we finish up. Here we can see a couple of nice moves from some continuation trades. Not too many continuation trades recently, but we had an opportunity to buy here on sterling yen. Now, why are we buying up here? Well, we're buying up here because the longer term trends are pretty positive. There was an uptrend on sterling yen on not only the monthly chart, but also the weekly chart. What this means is a real strong force of pressure building to push prices higher. So what we saw was a buy on the close of this day here, the 2nd of November. Now, I'm not going to get into the exact reasons for it and show you all the different time frames, but what we're looking for there was 140 points. Did it get it? Yeah, absolutely, it got it. Moving through to that target level on Wednesday of last week, or Thursday of last week rather, before heading off quite dramatically. But it doesn't matter where the market is now. The fact is, it got up, went to our target zone. We made 140 points profit, as did a lot of our trend signal clients as well. And that's really all that matters. Another profitable opportunity from last week, much like US oil as well. We had a trade on US oil as a continuation again just a few days ago on the 5th of November. A nice trade from 45.35, looking for 162 points here, achieving that target zone yesterday towards those lows there, going about 10 points through our objective. But that's all we need. Spread on oil's what, 4 maybe, 3 or 4 depending on your broker. So it's gone well through your target zone really, and there's no excuse for not taking profits there. 163 points of profit there on US oil. So you add that all up and that's a very, very successful period of trade. Some really good trading opportunities. Even at just £1 a point, there's some very healthy profits to be had from the market. So in conclusion, there's some really good markets around at the moment and there's some good opportunities and some good profits to be had. And I guess what you've got to ask yourself is whether you're getting on opportunities that are generating profits like these. If the answer is no, then perhaps you need to have a look at what you're doing and whether there's improvements to be had. Now, what we do is we teach people to trade using strategies just like I'm shown, using our changing color indicators, using our sniper circle here with the yellow circle, the yellow discs, red discs, green discs on our new version, that is. So we teach people how to use these indicators so they can identify these same opportunities that we do. And if you'd like to know more about it, why don't you attend one of our online trading webinars? And it's a real good demonstration where we teach you one of our trading strategies, just really give you an idea about the power of the strategies so that you could look to use them as well. Have a look somewhere on this page. There'll be a link to register for our next event, and we'd love to see you online and show you really what Trend Signal can do for you and for your trading account. All the best, everybody. Have a good week's trading and look forward to tuning in with you next week.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.